Indian Railways offers various types of coaches to cater to different passenger needs and budgets. Here's a detailed explanation of each type. 1. First class. Most luxurious option. First class is the most luxurious and expensive option available. Private cabins. It offers private cabins with lockable doors, ensuring complete privacy and security. Comfortable seating in sleeping. The cabins are equipped with comfortable seating and sleeping arrangements, making it ideal for long journeys. Limited availability. However, first-class coaches are not available on all trains and routes, and the availability is limited. 2. AC First Class. Air-conditioned coaches *. AC First Class offers air-conditioned coaches with private cabins. Luxurious amenities *. The cabins are equipped with luxurious amenities, including comfortable beds and fine linens. Personalized service *. Attendants provide personalized service to passengers, making their journey even more comfortable. Limited availability *. Like first class, AC first class coaches are also limited in availability. *3. AC 2-tier. Air-conditioned coaches *. AC 2-tier offers air-conditioned coaches with open berths. Comfortable seating and sleeping *. The coaches have comfortable seating and sleeping arrangements, making it suitable for overnight journeys. Curtains for privacy *. Curtains provide some privacy to passengers, although the berths are open. More affordable than 1A *. AC 2-tier is more affordable than AC first class, making it a popular option for many passengers. *4. AC 3-tier. Air-conditioned coaches *. AC 3-tier offers air-conditioned coaches with open berths. Less expensive than 2A *. It is less expensive than AC 2-tier, making it a budget-friendly option. More passengers per coach *. AC 3-tier coaches can accommodate more passengers than AC 2-tier coaches. Still comfortable *. Although it is less luxurious than AC 2-tier, AC 3-tier is still a comfortable option for passengers. *5. Sleeper class. Non-air-conditioned coaches *. Sleeper class offers non-air-conditioned coaches with open berths. More affordable than AC classes *. It is more affordable than AC classes, making it a popular option for budget-conscious passengers. Less comfortable *. However, sleeper class is less comfortable than AC classes, especially during extreme weather conditions. *6. Second seating. Non-air-conditioned coaches *. Second seating offers non-air-conditioned coaches with bench-style seating. Most affordable option *. It is the most affordable option available, making it suitable for short journeys or daytime travel. Suitable for short journeys *. Second seating is ideal for short journeys, but it may not be comfortable for long-distance travel. *7. Unreserved. Non-air-conditioned coaches *. Unreserved coaches are non-air-conditioned with open seating. Tickets available at last minute *. Tickets can be purchased at the last minute, making it a convenient option for passengers who need to travel urgently. Seats available on first-come first-served basis *. Seats are available on a first-come, first-served basis, and passengers may need to stand if the coach is crowded. *8. Executive class. Available only on Shatabdi Express *. Executive class is available only on Shatabdi Express trains. Air-conditioned coaches *. It offers air-conditioned coaches with comfortable seating. Complimentary meals and refreshments *. Passengers are provided with complimentary meals and refreshments. More expensive than other chair car options *. Executive class is more expensive than other chair car options. *9. Chair car. Non-executive chair car option *. Chair car is a non-executive chair car option. Air-conditioned coaches *. It offers air-conditioned coaches with comfortable seating. Suitable for short to medium distance journeys *. Chair car is suitable for short to medium distance journeys. In conclusion, Indian Railways offers various types of coaches to cater to different passenger needs and budgets. Passengers can choose the coach type that best suits their requirements and budget.